If you love the deep, smoky flavor of wood-fired grilling but struggle with temperature control or uneven cooking, then you need a top-notch pellet grill in your backyard. These grills take the guesswork out of barbecue, giving you precise heat, incredible versatility, and restaurant-quality results, all at the push of a button. In this video, we'll break down the best 6 pellet grills so you can find the perfect match for your cookouts. Let's fire things up. Meet the Traeger Pro 22 Electric Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker, the grill that put pellet smoking on the map. This bad boy ditches gas and charcoal for 100% wood pellets, delivering that unbeatable wood-fired taste. Whether you like it low and slow or hot and fast, this grill has you covered with 6 cooking modes. With 572 square inches of cooking space, you can load up 4 whole chickens, 5 racks of ribs, or 24 burgers at once. And thanks to advanced grilling logic, it keeps the heat steady within 15 degrees Fahrenheit for precision cooking. Built tough with powder-coated steel and easy-to-clean porcelain grates, it's made to last. Oh, and those all-terrain wheels? Perfect for rolling it into action anywhere in your backyard. Next up, the Pit Boss Deluxe Wood Pellet Grill, a stainless steel beast built for serious barbecue lovers. This fan-forced convection grill gives you the best of both worlds, direct and indirect heat, so you can sear steaks like a pro or slow-smoke ribs to perfection. With 465 square inches of cooking space and a 55 pounds pellet hopper, this grill is built for all-day smoking without constant refills. And let's not forget the digital control board with an LED readout, making temperature adjustments a breeze. 3. Ninja Outdoor Electric Grill and Smoker. If you want all the smoky flavor without the hassle of propane or charcoal, the Ninja OG 701 is your dream grill. This 7-in-1 powerhouse is a grill, smoker, and air fryer. Yep, you can grill steaks, smoke brisket, and air fry wings, all in one unit. Powered by Ninja Woodfire technology, it uses real hardwood pellets to infuse authentic barbecue flavor into everything you cook. And here's the kicker. You only need half a cup of pellets to get that rich, smoky taste. Cuisinart Portable Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Want a powerful yet portable pellet grill? The Cuisinart is your best bet. This 8-in-1 grill lets you smoke, barbecue, grill, roast, braise, sear, bake, and char grill, all in one machine. With 465 square inches of cooking space, you've got plenty of room for all your favorites. Plus, the digital controller ensures precise temperature control, while the auto-start ignition makes firing it up effortless. And the 13-pound hopper capacity keeps the wood-fired goodness going. With all-terrain wheels and a lift handle, it's super easy to move around, making it perfect for patios and tailgates alike. Z Grill's Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. For budget-friendly wood-fired flavor, check out the Z Grills. This 8-in-1 barbecue grill lets you smoke, bake, roast, braise, grill, sear, char grill, and barbecue with ease. One of its biggest perks? 20 pounds of pellets give you up to 20 hours of cooking time, way more cost-effective than propane or charcoal. The newly upgraded pit controller maintains precise temperatures, while the landscape LCD digital control board makes it a breeze to operate. Plus, with stainless steel construction, this grill is built to last, resisting rust and wear over time. KingChii Electric Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Last but not least, the KingChii Electric Wood Pellet Grill is a fantastic compact option that still delivers big wood-fired flavors. With 456 square inches of grill space, you can cook up to 12 burgers, 4 racks of ribs, or 2 whole chickens at once. Its D2 feeding technology and liftable hopper maximize efficiency, ensuring longer burn times with fewer refills. Plus, built-in wheels make it super easy to move, while the removable oil drum simplifies cleanup. And there you have it. Our 6 top pellet grills. If you love smoky, wood-fired flavor but want something faster and more convenient, a gas grill might be the better fit. In this video, I'll show you the best gas grills that heat up in minutes, offer precise temperature control, and make grilling effortless. Check this video out.